Hey, welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're going to be talking about locators or markers and how to use them. So this little flag here is the locator, and we can use those to mark, to label all the different sections of our song. So I have a few laid out here throughout this song. All right, I'm going to delete this guy real quick. And then to make one, you just right click, and then you can go ahead and label it. I'm going to start this song so we can see how locators can be helpful. My project is set to 1 bar, so when I click on it, it'll finish the bar and start that section. So you'll see it again here, 2, 3, 4, to the chorus. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.